Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I want to introduce a very useful and easy to use machine, the laser welding machine. If you work in metal fabrication, home decoration, hardware, machine repair, or metal art, this machine can really help you. The laser beam is very thin, so the heart goes online to a small area. This means the metal will not easily deform. The weld seam is smooth, narrow, and clean. Many times you don't even need to polish it. It works well on stainless steel, carbon steel, iron, aluminum, and many other metals. Many people think laser welding is complicated, but it's not. Our laser welding machine uses a handheld welding gun. It's light, flexible, and easy to control. Even beginners can learn it in a short time. After 1 or 2 hours of practice, you can start welding simple products. Laser welding is much faster than traditional welding. In many cases, it can be 3 to 5 times faster. You can weld cast thin metal and clean rust or point using the thin gun by changing the nose. The machine has built-in protections. If the gun is not touching the metal, it will not fire. If the water temperature becomes too high or the cable is not contacted well, the machine will stop and give an up. To sum up, a laser welding machine is fast, clean, easy to use, safe, and works on many types of metal. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more about this machine, feel free to contact us anytime.